folks. I'm Ramon Reblora. I am a beneficiary of Anaheim Workforce Connection. The first time I heard of Anaheim Workforce Connection was when I was advised to have a financial assistance. I downloaded a form for the application and reported to this connection office. There I met Luz together with Lilia. Luz gave us these exams to determine if we will qualify. The first time I took the exam, I assessed myself that, probably I did not make it, I flunked. But fortunately, I got a call and I started completing the requirements. So from there, Lilia took over and advised me to take the course which is connected with my usual career in the Philippines. I am a lawyer in the Philippines, so she advised me to take up these paralegal studies at UCI. And so I filled up and completed the forms, and by December, she told me that we should complete all other actions that includes the pre-employment, what is this interview with, I forgot the name. I went to that employment center and they too gave me exams, and as always I assessed myself that I again flunked the exam. But when the proctor told me, no, you passed the exam and you can proceed with the application with the Anaheim Workforce. So that was December, and Lilia told me that we should fast track all the paperwork because they will be on December break. So if we will not pass this paperwork, I would not be able to enroll to these paralegal studies at UCI. So together with the help of Lilia and the ladies at UCI, who really fast-tracked the paperwork, I was able to enroll, and that was December. I started my first sem, December, that was winter term, and I completed the paralegal study also in December. I got the paralegal certificate, and I qualified for employment. When I reported that I already finished, Lilia told me to reach out to Alejandro. Alejandro was the one who gave me this job search weekly. So Alejandro is part also of my success with the Anaheim Workforce Connection. With that, I'm very grateful for the work the Anaheim Workforce Connection has given me for this chance to qualify and be employed now at Anja Law Group as a legal assistant. Thank you very much, Anaheim Workforce Connection.